Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to thank those who views my videos and yung mga nag-subscribe po. Okay? It's been raining for many days because of the storm, but now I'm glad that the sun is shining now. No? Wala na pong ulan, no? Okay? Now, at times, ay pwede po tayong magsalita ng English, a little bit of English, a little bit of Tagalog, at saka Bisaya. So, trilingual po tayo ngayon, ano? As per requested by one of my viewers na hindi po nakaintindi ng Tagalog. So, siguro ay gawin nating Taglish itong ating video, no? Especially so na interesado po siya sa ating gagawin ngayong hapon. Now, I'm here in the kitchen, but I will go out because it's not raining anymore. So I want to see my garden. I'm free now to see my plants, my oregano outside the house, no? So, come, join me. Okay? Punta po tayo sa garden para ito po ay sa mga hindi nakaintindi ng English, ano, ay magtagalog po ako kahit Bisaya ako, ano. And then, sa mga hindi nakaintindi ng Tagalog naman, to be fair sa inyong lahat, ay magsalita po ako ng Taglish. So, once in a while, a little bit of Tagalog, a little bit of English, and a little bit of Bisaya. Kasi Bisaya po ako. So, tatlong lengguwahe po yan. Ano? So, alika, punta tayo sa garden para at least makita nyo kung saan ako kukuha ng aking raw materials. Okay? Now, ito ang aking, dito sa labas ng aking bahay. Although we have some oregano also outside. Now, you see this? Outside of this garden ay mayroon ding mga oregano. So, it grows anywhere, everywhere, almost everywhere. So, ito yung aking garden. Nice to see them again because it's been raining so many days already because of the storm. Now, we have also some here. And we have here some in our grotto. See? Lots of oregano. Okay? I think hanap tayo ng medyo matataba dito sa ating garden. Maganda yung malalaking dahon. So, my video for today is about oregano. And you see, oregano has lots of uses. Oregano is very useful. Okay, we will pick this. 1, 2. I think we can take only good leaves. 4. Harvest tayo. 6. Piliin lang natin yung malalaki. Yung tataba. Meron din tayo doon sa labas nito. No? Can take some here. So about 12 leaves. And this one is nice. Green na green. Okay, this is enough. like this. And maybe we can take some of the leaves here. Wow, this is nice. Okay. So, as you see, oregano is very useful. A very good remedy for cough and colds, no? Now, narinig po natin sa DOH na one of the few symptoms of COVID-19, no, is just like colds and coughing, no, or the weakening of the lungs. Okay, so I think we will take only 6 for one home remedy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can add 1 for each. Okay, this is an extra one for other purposes. Of course, we will have to clean this first. I have prepared water 3 times. This is the first water. You can put salt in here. So to sanitize it. We will wash this well. Para walang mga bakterya, mga alikabok, no? Or insekto, linisin natin. Naglagay po ako ng asin, a sort of sanitizing it, para malinis na malinis. I will show you 2 ways of preparing oregano juice or oregano extract for home remedy for cough and colds. Okay. So we will take this out here. And wash again here with tap water. Tap water has chlorine, so we have to take that out from our leaves. And the third is chlorine free. This is mineral water. See, very clean and fresh. Fresh, newly picked from the garden. So this is a home remedy for curing cough and colds, common colds. Very easy, very fast. Oregano. Now, in other countries, they call this oregano. Huh? I think in Italy, they call this oregano. But here in the Philippines, especially among the Visayan, we call this oregano. So it sounds energetic, huh? Very fast, and very effective remedy for cough and colds. Okay, so this is very clean now. Okay, one way of preparing for curing our cough and colds is, now we can divide this into two, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leaves, and another is for the second remedy. I have here a pounding marble. What we can do is, to make it easier, you'll slice into pieces the leaves, and then we can pound this with this marble pounding. To extract the juice. So this is one way of extracting the juice from the leaves. Very fast, very easy. As you see in one of my vlogs, I have enumerated the effects in our body of oregano, or the benefits we are getting from oregano. This is antioxidant, antibacterial, because of the cleansing effect in our stomach, anti-cancer, anti-obesity. It lowers our cholesterol, it lowers our blood sugar. So I think this is enough, so we can get some juice, and maybe we can use one of these. This is sanitized to serve as a screen. We'll take out the leaves, and we can put it here in the glass. So make it double. This is what you call a traditional way of extracting the juice from the leaves of oregano. So we have amazing benefits of oregano. See, we have the juice here being extracted. And we can squeeze in. See this? This is good for children also. To avoid colds. And you can take this 1 teaspoon for children 3 times a day. No? And what we can do is, so we have extracted this one. And then we can put 1 tablespoon of honey. And we can extract or put 1 calamansi or lemon. We use the strainer. Okay. Stir. That's it. So for adults, we can take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. And for children, we can give them 1 teaspoon 3 times a day. No? A home remedy for cough and colds for children and for adults. Very easy, no? And it grows anywhere in our garden, no? So masarap po ito, pero kahit hindi masarap ito sa panglasa ng iba, ito po ay gamot. So kailangan po nating inumin, no? Okay. I'll taste it para makita ninyo na ito ay masarap. May calamansi with honey. Little bitter, but sweet because of honey and because of lemon, no? Or calamansi. Not bad. Nice. You can feel, no, the freshness in your throat. Okay, I think I can take this all. Sarap. Siyempre may konting pait, no? Dahil concentrated. Pero ito po ay anti-cancer, may cleansing effect sa ating stomach. It lowers cholesterol, it lowers our blood pressure, our blood sugar, no? Antibacterial po ito. So, lahat ng bacteria sa ating intestine, sa ating stomach, no, ay maalis po nito, and then ay lalakas yung immune system natin panlaban sa COVID-19 virus. Okay? One more. Home remedy for coughs and colds. Okay? Good for children, good for adults, especially the senior citizen. So this is one way of preparing our home remedy as a cure for cough and colds. Okay, I'll show you another one. Yung second step na pwede rin natin gawin. So, we'll put this aside. Okay, may konti pang natira pero mamaya iinumin ko rin ito. Okay, we'll put this aside. And then, itong nahanda natin for second step, ang gagawin natin dito ay slice natin. Yung piniprepare ko po ay only good for 1 glass or only good as a sample. Nung parang ito po ay para madali nyo magawa. Na kung halimbawa, kung kayo nag-iisa sa bahay o kaya mayroong isa na iinom nito, no? Ay madali lang po gawin. But you can double it. Kung marami po kayong inumin at marami kayo, pwede mailagay sa ref. Ilagay natin dito. At ito po ay pakuluan natin. No? So I'm preparing 1 glass for 1 person. Ito lagyan natin ng tubig. Okay. We'll cover. At ito po ay pakuluan. More or less 10 minutes. No? Depende po kasi the more na kulong-kulo po siya ng matagal, ay the more na ma-extract po natin yung oil, oregano oil or katas, no? Ng ating oregano. Okay? (10 to 15 minutes). So, ito po yung pangalawang preparation na kung gusto ninyo na medyo mild, sweet, and flavorful, no? Depende po sa kung anong gusto nyo. Kasi siguro yung ibang mga bata na hindi makatolerate, no? Ng well concentrated na juice, no, na extracted direct from the leaves, ay pwede rin po ito sa mga bata kasi mas milder at saka sweet. Tinatawag ko po ang oregano na amazing herbal plant, no? Kasi marami po itong benefit na makukuha natin. We can make this as part of our diet, daily diet. No? Kasi ito ay anti-obesity, no? Iwas sa sakit sa puso, kasi hindi ka tataba, naalis ang mga kolesterol sa katawan, no? Okay, it's boiling. Okay, cover. So, dalawang klase, you can pound it and extract the oil or the juice from the leaves. And then, yung isa po ay you can slice and boil. Pwede rin po itong gawin na oregano tea, no? Kung mayroon tayong dried leaves. In one of my views or in one of my videos, ay mayroon po doon on how to prepare, no, on how to dry oregano leaves para ma-preserve po yan. So pwede pong gawin na oregano tea, no, sa umaga halimbawa, no, instead of drinking coffee, or instead of drinking juice, artificial juices, no, ay pwede rin po itong gawin natin na juice in the morning. Okay? See? So, nag-greenish yung water. Mabango. Wonder plantain po ang tawag ko dito kasi pwede po itong gawin insecticide, pwedeng gawin pesticides, and then pwedeng gawin oil in our food, in cooking vegetables, meat, or anything, no? So, amazing benefits of oregano. But I am showing you the way as home remedy for cough and colds. Yung ating panlaban sa COVID-19. Kasi this is antibacterial, antioxidant, no? It lowers cholesterol and blood sugar, anti-cancer, and has a cleansing effect in our stomach. Sa mga sakit sa balat po, ito ay pwede rin natin gamitin. Okay? Let's put out the fire. And then, ang gawin natin dito ay lagay muna natin dito sa bigger glass. Okay. Tanggalin natin ang leaves. Kasi sayang. Lagay natin dito sa strainer. Press para makuha natin katas. Okay. I prepared only 1 glass. Okay. Then we'll put honey again. One tablespoon. Stir. We'll slice 1 calamansi. So, mayroon na tayong vitamin C. Squeeze. Sarap nito. Naku. Na kung ito ang magustuhan ng mga bata, kasi this is milder, kasi may tubig. Yung kanina na yon ay concentrated, pure na katas ng oregano. Kaya medyo mapait compare dito sa ating hinandang second remedy, second way of preparing. Stir. Let it cool a little. Every morning po, umiinom po ako nito. Kasi another way of preparing this ay itong halimbawa, itong leaves na to, kahit na 5 piraso lang, ipatong po natin sa sinaing and then pigain po natin, lagay sa kutsara, and we can take it daily. Okay? So, pwede rin po yun. Yun ang pinaka-simple. Yun ang pinaka-traditional way. No? Okay? Let's taste it. Sarap. May hagod dito sa lalamunan. Refreshing. No? Parang mentholated. Parang may menthol. No? Lumuluwag yung ating lalamunan. Sarap. Try po ninyo. No? Very easy to grow. Kahit itusok lang po ninyo sa flower pots. O kaya may maliit na lupa, no? Sa garden nyo, dyan sa labas ng bahay, or anywhere, kahit sa flower pot po, no? And then every morning, you pick 4 leaves, lagay sa, ipatong sa ibabaw ng sinaing, no? Parang steam, no? And then pigain, and then pwedeng lagyan ng honey and calamansi, and then it will serve as your daily diet, no, in the morning, parang kape, parang tsaa, no? And then very healthy pa at marami pang benefits sa ating katawan panlaban sa COVID-19. Okay? One more. Sarap. Sarap na sarap, no? Okay. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. No? And stay safe from COVID-19. God bless us all. Bye-bye. Thanks.